Top 5 Most Luxurious Hotels in the World. Number 1. Mardin Palace, Turkey. Mardin Palace is a luxury hotel based in Lara, Antalya with a reported cost of approximately $1.4 billion. With over 560 hotel rooms, it is commonly known as Europe's most expensive luxury resort. Facilities include a 12,000 square feet spa, 4 aquariums, 5 acres of pool plus a personal beach for the guests with sand imported from Egypt. Perfect for travelers wishing to combine comfort with luxury, the hotel includes velvet-lined furniture, exotic wood floors and marble bathroom interiors. Number 2. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Built to represent the sail of an Arabian dhow, the Burj Al Arab is the 7th tallest hotel in the world. Easily one of the most outrageously extravagant hotels in the world. It features a pillow menu with 9 types of pillows for the guest to choose from, 24-karat gold leaf walls and full-sized Hermes amenities in every suite. Whilst the official rating of the hotel is 5-star, the highest hotel rating there is, it is widely referred to as a 7-star hotel. This magnificent destination offers world-class service right down to the chauffeur-driven Rolls-Royce service. Number 3. Atlantis Paradise, Bahamas. Welcome to paradise. As one of the most stunning hotels in the Caribbean, Atlantis Island Resort features 11 swimming pools, a magnificent water park, 18-hole golf course, 21 restaurants, gym, tennis courts, a spa and even a Pilates and yoga studio. With a whole array of activities from family-friendly fun to after-dark nightlife, there is truly something for everyone at this awesome resort. Number 4. Emirates Palace, Abu Dhabi. Located in the heart of Abu Dhabi, Emirates Palace is a lavish, golden exterior property overlooking the shores of the Arabian Gulf. Offering an array of worldwide cuisines, 1.3 kilometers of private beachland, a private marina and coral rooms with garden views, this iconic hotel welcomes guests into a world of indulgence. Emirates Palace is a testament to Abu Dhabi, showcasing Arabian culture at its finest via its whopping $3 billion construction. Number 5. The Plaza, New York City. Based in Midtown Manhattan, the Plaza has been one of New York's most treasured landmarks since 1969. For over 100 years, the hotel has welcomed guests from around the world, including dignitaries, Hollywood royalty and world leaders. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like when you enjoyed the video.